Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. 76 grams protein, all natural, all healthy, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, super delicious tiramisu dessert. It's so creamy and tastes like the best part of a tiramisu. You get all the protein you need and it's super healthy and so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a package of firm tofu into a powerful blender, along with half a cup of cashews, 6 Medjool dates, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a quarter cup of coffee, and a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super creamy. Now enjoy a super powerful and super tasty tiramisu dessert. Thanks for watching.